I'm going to try to extend the life of this screen door with some new wheels and some new screen. Screen's got a big hole in it. Just make sure that the rollers that you have look like this, otherwise this video is not going to help you very much. So if you got these type of wheels, I got these down in the description if you want to take a peek at them under the more button there. Start by taking the old ones out. There's just one screw holding this piece of hardware in. That one doesn't have a wheel anymore. It's saying pretty bad. This one actually, this side actually has a wheel still in it. Top and bottom, you should need 4 of these wheels. It's all chewed up, beat up. So new ones, brand spanking new. Comes with a little set screw. Tighten them set screws till they're tight. Don't over tighten them or you'll strip it. And then the long screw on the top of the screen door there is for adjusting those wheels up and down to get the door in, and then adjust it up to where you need it. These are the only tools you need to rescreen with, is a razor, that spline tool, and a Phillips. This one has a handle that goes through the screen. That's actually where it ripped. Only need to take one side of that off, and then get the spline, get it started out with either a razor knife or a screwdriver or something. Take all that out. Chances are you can reuse that spline. There's your spline rolling tool, pretty cheap to obtain those. And then your screen, just make sure your screen is a couple inches around the door. Mine's kind of oversized, but as long as you got a couple inches, you're good to go. This particular spline is actually square or rectangly shaped. Most of them are round. Just get it started, and then you can go back. Just watch. Don't be in a hurry, and don't put too much pressure on it, or you'll rip the screen with your tool. If you're trying to put too much pressure on it and it goes off towards the door, you can rip that screen right there. What I try to do is tip it so the pressure is going towards the back. So if I do slip, I'm going to go off the door and not into the screen. So the other thing would be, don't stretch that spline as you're putting it in there. Just pull it straight and ease it in, and then go over it a couple of times to get it all the way seated. I like to cut mine in the corners rather than trying to go around that corner. I guess it's a personal preference thing. And then when you cut the screen, just angle your blade towards the outside of the door, right there against the spline, and cut all your excess off. Put your handle back on, and that's pretty much it. So I don't know, if you got an old door, needs new life, maybe this will help you out.